Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I am so excited today to be setting this beautiful planner up. So I showed you what it looked like a few weeks ago, and we still have a month left before technically it starts, but I am very excited to share this planner with you. So let's go ahead and get started, but before we do, you know you want to subscribe because this is just a lot of fun and you get to see so many different things, and I would just love to have you back with me again on another video. But if you are new, make sure to do that. If you're returning, I cannot thank you enough for all of your just immense support, and I'm so excited about this channel and where it's going, and for everyone here who's watching, I just can't thank you enough. So thank you so much. Okay, now we can get started. All right, so this is the new Kaleidoscope Erin Condren planner. I did show a flip through. Guys, I have so much randomness on my desk right now. A couple weeks ago, but now we're going to be setting it up. So, a couple things. One is, this is the 18-month planner. They do have a, what is it called? It's not a dashboard. It is not, what's it called? What's it called? Not clipboard. They have a thing, a binder. I don't know why I was getting that incorrectly. And the binder is, it's basically a more customizable version of the planner. If it is customization that you want, as far as like pulling stuff in and out of it, they have accessories and different things that you can add to it. And hopefully I will share that with you soon. I'm hoping to get one of those as well and be able to share that with you. But I've also seen a lot of people take off the coils and recoil it the way that they want to. I know that would be a little bit more of a project, so you'd have to be prepared to do it. It's not as seamless as just doing it, but if you do want to customize inside of it really easily, that's a way to do it. All right, so I'm going to add my name later on, but I'm trying to decide if I want a vinyl over the top of this or how I want to do it. So I'm still thinking about that. What I'm going to do is see where all my stuff is, because I'm not really sure. I'm going to pull up my habit tracker. I love this. I love this. And if you followed me, if you've watched my video earlier this week, I also did this awesome mood tracker. And what I think I'm going to do, I'm not 100% positive what I want to do yet with it, but I'm going to probably put it in, but I don't know whether I'm going to put it in, does that feel right? That feels right. Okay. I don't know whether or not, let's see. Let's get it. Okay. So I'm kind of feeling like I might want to put it in right in the front, like kind of between the initial, this is not down all the way. It's like kind of bumped. It's interesting. I wonder why I did that. Anyways, I wonder if I have it like correctly in there. It doesn't feel right, guys. Maybe I've done this wrong. There must have been one that was kind of much better. There must have been one that was off. Yeah, and I've kind of set it up a little bit higher, so it is like there's one that's not notched on there because I wanted it up so I could see it. You don't have to do that, obviously. So then I'm kind of thinking that I want my mood tracker like right up front, but I don't want it as my cover, my main cover. So I don't know. Let's do this. I'm putting it in here. Okay, we have all sorts of noise going on in the background. I hope this is not, because we have lots of deck building going on right now. Okay, look at that. So now I have the vellum on the other side, and you can kind of still see through it, but then right here we'll have the mood tracker, and then we'll start. So it's not the cover, but it still covers it, and it's a great addition to that. Okay, now I want to add that's not really the technical way I think it opened, but it's just the way I opened it. This is really great. This is like a big checklist, habit tracker, whatever you want to do with it. A great sheet, and I'm really excited about this for my productivity. So I'm going to put this in the first, because I'll probably use it weekly, is what I'm going to try to do. I found that the easiest way to kind of do this is to set it up, oops, and then just kind of like help guide it in on this, as I say that, help kind of guide it in on the sides, and then once you get a few of the sides notches on, it will smoothly go in. Much easier. The thing about it is it's not as custom, like you wouldn't want to probably pull it in and out, but it's definitely still accessible for you to be able to do that with. There we go. Okay. Although this one, I'm not sure like where this one would actually go. It doesn't seem to have a right spot. Oh, what the heck? Look, this one's been I've just missed them. Okay. All right, there we go. There we go. But see, now I feel like there's one that's not correct. I might be making this up. Oh, that one, see, that's the problem. Okay. I had two in the same one. I gotta watch what I'm doing, guys. You can't trust me. Sometimes I do the wrong thing. Oh, so really, that's why. Look at that. Okay, look, when you actually do it the right way, it's like way easier to do. So, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so that is now in. Super excited about that. And then what I'm going to try, where did my pen loop go? Guys, I don't know where my pen loop has gone. This is your perpetual calendar that they send, which I'm going to put right back here in this little pocket folder. And I'm also going to pull the stickers out and put them, I wonder if this will be better in this pocket folder. Yeah, I think I'm going to put them in this pocket folder, and then I'm going to put my perpetual calendar right on top. These pocket folders are really deep and super good quality. I'm going to put my stickers back there. And then this is an 18-month planner, so it's a little thicker than your other ones. They do have bigger things on it, which I'm very excited about, and I'm very excited to get this all set up. But I think for the time being, what I'm going to do is just kind of leave it here. Now, I didn't get the Kaleidoscope front cover, but I did get the Kaleidoscope Planny Pack, so I'm going to flip this over it. And then for the time being, that's where I'm going to keep all my pens and everything until it is in use. And I will probably start working on getting July set up pretty quick because it will be here before we know it. So I'm very excited about this planner. I think that this is a super good quality, and I'm really, really excited to just enjoy having an hourly layout. I don't feel like Happy Planners hourlies are the best, so I'm really excited to try. I mean, I've had an Erin Condren one for a while, but this one I think is even better than the one they had before. So I'm very excited to try it. I love the quality of these planners. I think they're absolutely phenomenal. So let me know what you think. Have you checked them out? There's a link in the description. I want to see what you think about Erin Condren, what you feel like their quality. I mean, just tell me all about it. I want to know from you. So I really love this planner though, and I'm very excited to get started with it. I think it's going to be really just amazing. So let me know your thoughts. I cannot wait to hear from you. All right, everyone, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great rest of your day. And if you'd like to see more planner setup videos, please click the link on the screen.